64 Chevelle. That was a 65, a 64. Looks like it's got a small block in there. Dual snorkel air cleaner. This is a common color back then. It's like light yellow. I don't know what they called it, but it was on a lot of cars back then. It looks like you know, to me it looks like the springs are heavier duty. It stands up higher. The tires look a little bit bigger. Definitely not 14-inch rims. And I kind of like that because you can take this off on the dirt roads and stuff and not worry about it smacking the bottom, ripping the muffler off. You know, it's an SS. I never seen this car down here. Look at the trunk. It's like got all labels in here and everything, you know. See that? It's assume it's a 4-speed, yeah, 4-speed. Amazing, huh? Dual master cylinder with power brakes. No AC, which we don't need. Power steering, headers. I assume it's a 327 or something, probably. Guess that's what we came with it.
Hey, I got to go to Home Depot to get some plywood. This is like the only car you can put.
Yeah, that's sweet.